Introduction. Generox. Generox is a brand in the automotive accessories that focuses on providing a range of vehicle upgrades, particularly LED lights for both bikes and cars. The brand aims to enhance driver and rider safety and visibility, especially during challenging conditions like fog, heavy rain, or night driving. Two-wire connection, nut bolt and clamp. Product features: ABS plastic body, water resistance, wattage 45, lifespan 30,000 hours, imported lamp beads. Waterproofing is a crucial feature for vehicle LED fog light, as they are often mounted in exposed locations.